Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, everybody online. Hey, happy Tuesday, guys. We are in O'Fallon, Illinois today. Today's Tuesday, 25th, 2025. We're doing a clean and buff of some hardwood and some tile and grout cleaning and sealing. We got about 2,000 square feet of tile and about 1,500 square feet of hardwood. We're going to take care of our client that just bought this home. They're expecting a baby and they want it clean, hygienic, and pristine. So it's a maintenance service. So we're getting all the residue off their hardwood, getting it clean and hygienic, as well as their downstairs tile and grout and 2 bathrooms. So this is going to be a good one. Hope you guys doing well. What a beautiful day it is out here. We are excited. I got Bridget on the scene with me, helping me, and we're doing it to it. So if you need a service, reach out to us. We got you covered. aoclean.com, wecanseerfloors.com. And again, guys, we're excited. So we're doing a tile and grout cleaning and a clean and buff, which is that service right there. And that's going to do it. Hey, let's go. All right, guys, let me show you what we're doing. They did take off. They're going to be gone for a few hours. So we're doing this hardwood here. This is a pre-finished hardwood. We're going to be doing just a clean and buff, get the residue off. It's kind of dark in here, so we got some lights going. But just a lot of residue, build up, contaminants. And we're just going to do just a good clean and buff to polish it up. As you guys can see how it's just kind of, see if the camera picks that up. Just got a footprint, kind of, dingy a little right there, guys. Mopping alone won't get rid of that, so we're going to get it cleaned and polished. And basically what that means is we're going to get the dirt and grime and contamination off and make the surface tension tighter to make it the sheen enhanced like it was originally. Just a little bit. So that's what we're doing. They're excited. A little more residue right there, as you guys can just see how that just build up right there. And this is just a clean and buff, guys. So this is one of the cheaper services we offer for hardwood. Only $1.50 a square foot will get you clean and buffed. And typically, as you can see, we don't have to move any furniture. They just put the chairs up, so we're just gonna go around it because we're not putting anything down. We're not coating it. We're just cleaning and buffing. So you can walk on it immediately, which clients love. So Brian's excited. We got the hallway area too, and into this right here. So we're not going to do the bedrooms. We're going to do this tile and grout. You can see just how it's kind of darker through here and lighter. That's because it's porous. We're going to clean that for them, get it hygienic. So that's what we're doing up here, guys. Just the main floor area. A lot of residue, and of course this area right here as well. And then downstairs, we're going to be doing some tile and grout. I'll show you that as well. So remember, if you guys are watching my videos and follow me, grout's porous. So see all this black stuff? That's actually dirt that's bonded to the grout. So it needs to be cleaned and removed. Suspended, it what we use in our industry, the term is, but you guys know this: soil, dirt, grime. So we're going to get this removed and hygienic again, and then we're going to seal it. Look how it used to look. It used to look like that, but it happens, guys. And typically you guys can tell by the edges because it's the least traveled area. See right there? That's how it used to look. See, that's white, and the rest is dark. So, yep. So we're going to do that, guys. We're going to get it all lifted up. So this area right here, the family room area, the bar. They also have a bathroom here we're doing. Let me turn this light on for them. A little bit bathroom. Goes into their kitchen area. So yeah, guys, this is what we're going to do. We're going to get this all lifted up and suspended and cleaned and hygienic. And then we're going to seal it. Again, guys, look at the, see how it's white? That's the original state. That's how it's supposed to look. And the rest of it's just dark. That's because it's porous. You can't clean this. You have to use a system like we have to suspend it. Then once we suspend it and remove it, then we can seal it with an impregnated sealer, and then all that soil will stay on top and won't penetrate the grout. So that's what we're doing today. We're just gonna go around this furniture. Again, guys, if you have this kind of service need, you don't have to move anything really except for like small items. We can go around a lot of the stuff because they didn't want to go through the hassle. They just moved in. We will pick this up for them. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Again, this is a maintenance service. We're going to restore the grout and then get it sealed for them as well. So, We should be done this afternoon at some point, but yeah, guys, we're going to start down here and then last do their hardwood. If you guys have a need, reach out to us, 618-593-8102 at AO Cleaning. We got you covered since 2003. All right, guys, I'm cleaning this tile and grout. Getting into it, what I realized is whoever did this before tried to color seal it, and it's a color seal gone bad. That's why you need a reputable company to do it, because otherwise it will, peel off. And I'm removing the soil. Underneath the soil is where they tried to color seal it. Let me show you. So I'm going to do a little example here. Watch this, guys. So we're cleaning it regularly. Breaking up the soil. What it's going to reveal is underneath that soil where someone tried to color seal. All right, guys, we're neutralizing the floor now with our AO Neutral Wood Floor Cleaner. We're waiting until it flashes off. We got Bridge over there putting it down now. And these floors look good, guys. Like I said, we're going to get rid of all the residue, all the haze. As you guys can see, just the build up there and get it pristine. We did give them a bottle of our cleaner there. Of course, we sell it in a gallon as well. Great stuff. And yeah, guys, we're gonna get rid of all that haze and build up and residue. That's kind of dull and dingy. We're gonna get rid of that, guys, and pop the original sheen. And it's common for pre-finished. And again, if you need this service, reach out. We got you covered. I'll show you guys something else, just how, without even buffing it, just how my cleaner works. As you can see, look at that, guys. See how smooth that already looking? Because we neutralized and got rid of that film buildup. Now we're gonna buff and pop the sheen. All right, let's go, AO. All right, guys, we're cleaning and buffing now. Beautiful day out there. Making this floor hygienic and popping the sheen. We got about 1,440 square feet of hardwood we're buffing. And once we get this all suspended and buffed out, that'll be a wrap. I'm gonna finish up. Stay tuned. And as always, thanks for watching. All right, guys, little update. We already cleaned and buffed this area here, this hallway. This area, you can already see how just it popped. But I did notice that the wear layer is kind of, vulnerable and kind of coming off. So technically he does need a screen and recoat. But I'm gonna offer him putting down at least at a minimum a preservation finish, like a satin, to kind of make it look uniform, because he does have some protection coming off that down to the wood and exposed, and you don't know that till you clean it and reveal how it looks once you clean and buff it. So, but yeah, guys, you can just see we have not done this area here yet, but I'll just show you. For example, we just cleaned and buffed this, and you can already see how it's just, see that protection right there. See if the camera picks that up. You can just see the protection coming off. And unfortunately, that's when the screen recoat comes into play. But right now, he just wants some clean and hygienic, what we're doing with a clean and buff. But I'm gonna recommend, like I said, a coating, a preservation coating, to kind of make it look uniform. And I'd get him by for a few years until he, gets a screen and recoat. But yeah, guys, it's enhancing the original sheen a lot better. But yeah, this is a clean and buff, and it's going good. All right, guys, thanks for watching. All right, guys, that's a wrap. These floors turned out good. To the satin preservation finish. Client loves it. All right, guys, a little update. We already cleaned this area, but you guys can see, again, they had some color seal that failed. The client's aware of it. So, but it is clean, hygienic. You just see there, see that? That's just failed color seal. So anyway, it's clean, hygienic, and that's the main thing. All right, guys, stay tuned. We still got to do this rest of this area, but we do have this complete. Hey, let's go. All right, guys, it's going good. You can just see the soil being removed. Beautiful. Making this floor hygienic. Nice. All right, guys, we're doing the bathroom now. Let me show you. Being clean, maintain, and restore. aoclean.com. Look at that, guys. See that difference? That's what we do. All right, I'm gonna finish up.